Stop for a moment. What if I tell you the job you're doing today may not even exist in the next few years? And at the same time, completely new jobs are being created right now that most people don't even understand yet. Jobs like RAG engineer, vibe coder, AI agent developer sounds complicated? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to break down 12 powerful AI job roles in the simplest possible way possible. Like we are sitting and discussing together. No jargon, no confusion, just clear understanding. And who knows, one of these roles might be exactly what you or your child should start learning today. Let's get started. Let's start with something very powerful. RAG engineer. Normally, AI like ChatGPT guesses answers. But what if we want accurate answers from real data? That is where a RAG engineer comes in. Step one, they load real data like PDFs, website, documents. Step two, when you ask a question, the system retrieves relevant information or chunks. Step three, then AI generates a smart answer using that data. So instead of guessing, AI becomes reliable and trustworthy. This is used in hospitals, legal firms, customer support, everywhere accuracy matters. Two, vibe coder. This is one of my favorite new roles, vibe coding. Earlier, we used to write code line by line. Now, you can literally talk to AI and build apps. Step one, you describe what you want. Step two, AI gives you the code. Step three, you refine and improve it. It's like having a super smart assistant coding with you. But remember, your thinking matters more than typing. This is the future. You don't just code, you direct AI. Three, AI agent developer. Now imagine AI that doesn't just answer, but actually works for you. That is an AI agent developer. Step one, define a goal. Step two, connect tools like email, CRM, calendar. Step three, build a flow so AI can act. For example, AI reads emails, replies, books meetings, updates CRM. This is like building a digital employee. Very powerful and very much in demand. Four, AI interaction designer. This role is all about how we talk to AI. You might think prompting is simple, but doing it well is an art. Step one, understand the goal. Step two, write clear instructions. Step three, improve until output is perfect. Small changes in prompts equals big difference in results. This role is evolving into designing the user experience of AI itself. Better prompts, better results. Five, AI automation. This is where businesses save time and money. An AI automation specialist connects everything together. Step one, map a workflow. Step two, connect tools. Step three, automate the process. Example, new lead, AI replies, qualifies, books calls, sends emails. No human needed. This is how companies work less and achieve more. Six, LLM engineer. This is a deeper technical role. If you have studied machine learning or AI in college, this is a role for you. LLM engineers work inside AI models. Step one, choose the right model. Step two, fine tune it for a specific use. Step three, deploy and optimize. For example, custom AI for healthcare, finance, legal systems. They don't just use AI, they shape how AI behaves. Seven, AI evaluator tester. AI is powerful, but it can make mistakes. That is why we need AI testers. Step one, create the test cases. Step two, check the outputs. Step three, report issues. They check, is the answer correct? Is it biased? Is it safe? This role ensures AI quality and reliability. Eight, AI safety or guardrails engineer. This role is critical, especially for companies. AI must be safe. Step one, define rules. Step two, add guardrails. Step three, monitor outputs. For example, prevent harmful responses, protect personal data, control what AI can say. This ensures AI is safe, responsible, and trustworthy. Nine, AI content engineer. This is perfect for creators. AI content engineer create content at scale. Step one, choose topic. Step two, generate content using AI. Step three, publish and grow. They create videos, blogs, ads, social posts. This is how you can grow fast online using AI. Create more, grow faster. 10. AI educator or coach. Not everyone understands AI, and that is an opportunity. AI educators teach others how to use it. Step one, teach tools. Step two, show practical usage. Step three, help people apply it. Workshops, courses, training sessions. If you can explain simply, you can earn an impact. 11. No code or low code AI builder. You don't always need coding to build AI apps. Step one, pick a platform. Step two, drag and drop, connect. Step three, launch the app. You can build chatbots, websites, automation systems. This is perfect for beginners. Build real apps without heavy coding. And finally, 12, Edge AI Engineer. This is where AI meets hardware. Instead of cloud, AI runs on devices. Step one, pick the hardware. Step two, optimize model. Step three, deploy locally. Examples, robots, cameras, IoT devices faster, private and works online. This is the future of robotics and embedded AI. So now you have seen it. These are not future jobs, they are present opportunities. The question is not, will AI change jobs? The real question is, will you be ready when it does? My suggestion, simple. Don't try everything. Pick one role, start small, build something real, and grow step by step. If you found this useful, like this video, share it with someone who needs direction. Comment below which AI role excited you the most. And if you want to learn AI robotics and real hands-on skills, visit shogini.com. We also conduct on-site Maker Lab workshops. Let's build the future together.